Right here at the shores of nature's magic, I dream that summer should not end. I hope for more days of warmth, but this is nature and we cannot control it. I try to enjoy the sun, any sun that's coming out in the end of September. I know it's gonna not be here anymore, so I enjoy the sun as much as I can. I come outside as much as I can, and I don't dwell on what it was. I just enjoy what it is now and look forward to what is coming. So welcome to the end of September, the end of summer, where September feels like a Sunday. You know, that beautiful Sunday, beautiful weekend, when it has to end. If you want it or you don't, it's gonna end no matter what. The early mornings are very dark now, but I'm very grateful for the beautiful sunrises in the morning, as they are more clear than when it's a sunny day. Change in color is a sign of autumn is coming and summer is saying goodbye. These brown fields once were green, very beautiful, very calming, winds blowing through them. I loved walking around here. I really enjoyed watching these green fields. But autumn is here, and that means change. They turn brown and have a crispy touch to them, but they are still beautiful, just as beautiful as they were when they were still green. I guess that's the thing about being a happy person. You always see the positive in everything. You see the beauty in everything. Even the farmer here working hard in the night is a sign of summer is over. He's working so hard to harvest all his goods and put them in these fields like this. Still very beautiful, just as beautiful as they were when they were green. I do love summer very much, just like everybody else, but I don't like to dwell on it when it has gone. So I try to create ways to make myself feel better, I guess, like adding some solar lamps in the garden and making the garden just cozy. But when you are a happy person, sometimes winter and summer doesn't make a huge difference. People who are happy make all the season work for them by embracing them, creating cozy vibes for autumn and winter. That makes me happy. In that way, it doesn't feel so awful. The winter doesn't feel so extreme. We are blessed to have a home where we can enjoy both the sunrises and the sunsets, and me focusing on these beautiful things during the cold and winter time. It just makes winter don't seem as harsh. But for right now, we are spending a lot of time outside, enjoying the rest of the warm weather. And the farmers here in Denmark, they do plant these sunflowers, which come out around the end of August, start of September. And yes, we can enjoy those when we go for a walk. I really take in everything when I go for my walks. I'm that kind of person. I'm always searching. It seems like my eyes are always looking for beautiful things, I guess, things some other people might just pass by. I'm always intrigued by this. And some of the other farmers, they just plant different flowers, not only sunflowers. And yes, during these walks, I really enjoy this. And yes, it's the end of summer. I have to go out and take in as much D vitamin as I can. And around this time, the end of summer, there's a lot of fruits like apples also. A lot of them to pick. Most of them you can just pick for free. When we are on our walks, we can get these apples, taste different apples on our walk, because there's a lot of different apples on our walk tasting differently. Autumn is there also right time to plant your new plants if you want to plant new flowers, do flower beds, and that's what we are doing. We have a lot of work to do. If you follow us, you know how our garden looks like. So we are trying to work on this bed and be done with it before the winter comes, because when the winter hits, when the cold weather hits, we are not spending a lot of time outside, though I plan to be more outside this autumn and winter. The strong winds bringing the cold with them have passed through the garden. These beautiful white flowers have all turned color. I embrace it. It's a sign of autumn coming. Instead of dwelling on that, I'm just enjoying the evening nights, the evening warm nights that sometimes we have here in the end of summer. We do have some of those where the wind is non-existent, as Denmark is always windy, and I enjoy that. And I just look back on the memories I made during summer, not dwelling like why is the summer, but just looking at them. And that's why I take a lot of pictures. That's why I'll take a lot of videos, and I can always look back on that and look forward of what is coming. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Mwah! Bye.